Agriculture Inorganic Fertilizers. Inorganic fertilizers. These are chemically produced substances added to the soil to improve fertility. Classification according to nutrients contain. Straight contain only one macronutrient. Compound fertilizers contain more than one macronutrient. Time of application. Some applied when planting. Top dressing after crop emergence. Effect on the soil pH. Acidic fertilizers. Neutral fertilizers. Basic fertilizers. Properties and identification of fertilizers. Nitrogenous fertilizers. Characteristics. Highly soluble in water. Highly mobile in the soil, hence it is applied as a top dress. Easily leached because of the high solubility, hence does not have residual effect on the soil. Has scorching effect on young crops during wet seasons. Easy to volatilize during hot season. They have a tendency to cake under moist conditions. They are hygroscopic and should be stored in dry conditions. Examples. Sulfate of ammonia NH42 sophra. Physical appearance. White crystals. Has acidic effect. Contains 20% N. Ammonium sulfate nitrate NH44 sophra plus NH4 NO3. Color. Granules which appear yellow-orange. Less acidic. Contains 26% N. Calcium ammonium nitrate can. Color. Grayish granules. Neutral in nature. Contains 21% N. Agriculture and organic fertilizers. Non-scorching. Has a high residual effect, hence benefit the next season's crop. Easy to store because they are not hygroscopic. Examples. Single superphosphate. Appearance. Whitish, creamy white granules. Contains 20-21% P12 alpha. Double superphosphate. Appearance. Dark grayish granules. Contains 40-42% P12 alpha. Triple superphosphate. Appearance. Small grayish granules. Contain 44-48% P12 alpha. Potassic fertilizers. Characteristics. Has moderate scorching effect. Moderately soluble in water. Most Kenyan soils have sufficient potassium. Examples. Muriate of potash KCl. Contains 60-62% K2O. Slightly hygroscopic. Appearance amorphous white. Sulfate of potash 50% K2O. Compound or mixed fertilizers. These are fertilizers which supply two or more of the macronutrients. Examples. Monoammonium phosphate. Diammonium phosphate. 20-20-20-23-23-23. Advantages of application of compound fertilizers. Saves time and money. Mixture gives improved storage properties and better handling. Disadvantages of compound fertilizers application. Expensive. Wasteful. Mixing may not be thorough. Incompatibility of the individual fertilizers. Methods of fertilizer application. Broadcasting random scattering of the fertilizers on the ground. Agriculture inorganic fertilizers. Side dressing fertilizer is placed at the side of the plant within the root zone, in bands or spot rings. Foliar spraying specially formulated fertilizer solution applied on the foliage in spray form. Drip method applied through irrigation water. Determination of fertilizer rates. Contents of fertilizers are expressed as fertilizer grade or fertilizer analysis. Fertilizer grade indicate the guaranteed minimum of the active ingredients N. P2O off of K2O in the mixture. It is expressed as a percentage on a weight-to-weight basis or percentage by weight. Example 10. 1T0 means for every tink of the mixture there are tink of nitrogen 20 of P2O5 and 0 of K2O. Example. A farmer was asked to apply fertilizers as follows. 60 kg /ha nitrogen top dressing. 60 kg /ha P2O off of in planting hole. 60 kg /ha K2O. How much sulfate of ammonia 20% would be required per hectare? How much double superphosphate 40% P2O off of would be required per hectare? How much muriate of potash 50% K2O would be required per hectare? Answer/solution. Sulfate of ammonia SA which gives 60 /ha N equals 60. 20x100 equals 300 SA. Double superphosphate 40% P2O off of which gives 60 /ha P2O off of 60 equals 40x100 equals 150 DSP. Muriate of potash 60% K2O which gives 60 /h K2O equals 60x 100 equals 100 muriate of potash 60. Example. A farmer was asked to apply fertilizers as follows. 200 /ha of DSP 40% P2O off of 150 /ha of muriate of potash 60% K2O 150 /ha of sulfate of ammonia 20% N. How much P2O off of did the farmer apply per acre? How much K2O did the farmer apply per hectare? How much N did the farmer apply per hectare? Solution/answer. K2O off of applied per hectare from 200 g DSB. Agriculture inorganic fertilizers.